to EMI Creatives, where fun and art collide. So today's session we are going to have fun, okay? But before that, my dear friend, we need to have our art materials. You need to have brushes, our water marker, color pencils, paints, pair of scissors, glue, because it's going to help us in case we need to stick our drawings, or we need to have like maybe painting. We can mix our paint with glue. You also need to have your masking tape or double tape. We also need some water. Remember, when you're drawing, sometimes we need water. We need to soak our brushes. We need to maybe mix our paint, so we need water. So another thing, don't forget your pencil, your rubber. What's this? Very good. This is a sharpener, so we need the sharpener to be there to help us to sharpen our pencils. And you need to have your art book ready. So are you ready? Okay, we are going to start with a sketch. You can sketch anything you want, okay? So I'm going to sketch a landscape like this. I'll have my sun right here, okay? So this is my mountain. Remember, we are using lines and value. So this is going to be my water. Okay. Like that. I need a tree here. Like that, okay? So we are going to use our water marker. You can choose any color that you want, okay? So I will start with my sun. Let me use this. Make sure you close your water marker so that it doesn't stop writing. There we go. I told you that you can use any color that you love. You can mix in colors. So I can also tilt my paper like this so that I can draw nice lines. I love to draw like a superstar. I love to draw like a superstar. You can even, your lines, you can draw a bit smaller. You shouldn't leave a lot of space so that your work can look so nice. Yes, this is how our fun and art collide. You see, you can have fun. This is so beautiful. When you see there is a lot of space, please you put in another line there to make it smaller. There we go. So I want the whole of here to be this color. I want it to be red. Even you can like choose your own color, okay? Wow, this is nice. So this part also, I have to make sure that I fill it with lines. I told you I need this part to be red. You can choose your own color. You can choose your own color. continue with the line until you reach the edge of your book. Okay. Remember, we have some space here that you need to fill. You draw your lines, draw your lines, draw. It doesn't matter the direction. See? Wow. So I've finished that. I'm going to get another color. After getting this, you need to move it around on the sketch that you've made. So we are only just going to draw lines here only. So I want this line to be a standing line like the way you're seeing here. Okay, here we are using standing lines. Now here I'm going to get another color. I'll make sure that it goes like this, but before that I need to pass my color also where I've sketched. When there is a lot of space, please, you can feel it. Okay, I'm going to pick another color. This time I'll make it against pan. But before that, you pass that. You pass marker across. That can direct where exactly you can stand. You can tilt your book in order for you to do nice and lovely work. Right. Here also I want to use green. You're enjoying your work. Okay. Another color. It's all about drawing your lines and mixing your colors. Where you see there is a lot of space, you feel it. Okay. Wonderful. Here I'm seeing there is a lot of space, so I can fill in my lines and draw more lines. Here I'm going to put pink. Pass on the sketch. Pass on the sketch. Wow, look at our work, how it's looking so beautiful. Wow, you can see. Now if you have a space like this, remember here we've used orange. You can go back and pick your orange color to make sure that you draw the line until it is done completely. Okay, this is how our final work looks like. We've just used only lines. We've used lines, we've drawn lines with different colors to make our work look so beautiful. So I hope you had fun. I hope you finished yours. If you've not finished, please take your time to draw those lines and use different colors to make sure that your work is complete. Thank you so much for being with me together and for doing your lovely work. See you next time. Bye-bye.